Well, I've been in this industry for around 18 years, but I've owned my own gym for this year, 11 years. The problem that I always face is, of course, the smell of sweat. So I've always had this issue. So normally what we do is that we always use air freshener, we try to spray the gym, but it doesn't last long. Maybe a few seconds, then after that it goes off. First, I was not really sure how it works. I thought it was just like a normal air freshener. That was my honest thought. But after using it actually helps a lot. There's a smell in the gym. It can be from the toilets or a smell from a client, sometimes the body order. So it's very difficult to get the order out immediately. So what I do is I'll on the scenting machine. To my surprise, within, I think maybe in a few seconds, a minute or 2 minutes, the smell goes off. And it's actually very nice. So it's been a great help. Just like music in the gym, the air that circulates in the gym plays a very important role. I noticed this. When a client walks in and when they feel refreshed, it also adds on into their mood of working out. Imagine you walk into a gym and then it smells, it stings, you got the sleeper smell, and then it puts you off, and then you don't feel like you want to work out. I have a feedback from clients where they have told me this: there's something nice about the smell in your gym. I like this gym because there's a different smell, but they still did not know where the machine is or what are we using. The tower actually camouflaged nicely, so they couldn't even find. So that was a plus point actually. I think it's a very good product.